In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently download images with a transparent background using Canva. This quick and straightforward guide aims to make the process as smooth as possible, whether you're creating graphics for a project, designing a logo, or working on digital art. Let's dive in and get started. To begin, you'll want to go to your Canva document. If you're already logged into Canva, navigate to the specific design you're working on. It's important to ensure that your design is ready and you're satisfied with how it looks before proceeding to download it. Using Canva's intuitive layout, you can add all sorts of design elements, including text, images, and illustrations, so make sure everything is just the way you like it, including the arrangement of your layers and colors. Now that you have your design open, the next step is to locate and click on the Share button in the upper right corner of your screen. This button is your gateway to various features, such as sharing your project with collaborators or downloading it. In this instance, you'll want to select Download from the drop-down menu. This step is crucial as Canva's downloading option provides you with numerous settings depending on your needs, whether it is for web, print, or digital projects that require a unique format. Once you've clicked Download, you'll see a variety of options to customize your download settings. Since our goal here is to download an image with a transparent background, make sure to check the box labeled Transparent Background. This feature is particularly useful for graphics intended to be placed on different backgrounds, allowing you to customize the final look of your design without the distracting presence of a color behind it. Transparency can make a big difference, especially if you plan on layering images or inserting your design into another document. Once you've selected the transparent background option, go ahead and click the Download button to save it to your device. As soon as the download completes, you'll have an image file that maintains its transparency wherever you choose to use it. This means you can now incorporate it seamlessly into any other project or platform with varying backgrounds without having to worry about removing or editing unwanted colors from behind your image. And that's it, you're done. By following these few simple steps, downloading images with transparent backgrounds from Canva becomes an effortless part of your design process. Feel free to apply these steps to any future designs you work on in Canva. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you now feel confident in enhancing your designs with transparent images. Thanks for watching and happy designing.